Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a BMW guys 3 series, but if you have 3 or 4 series, F30, F31 or even I think F34 guys, stay with us and we will explain guys if you need to find where your keyless entry module is located, also known as remote control module guys, computer, stay with us and we'll explain how to get to it, what needs to be done to remove it and replace it. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this generation BMW F30, F31 and F34. And we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys want to save even more money on car parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get everything for a really good price. First thing guys, we'll need to go ahead and remove the shelf. Okay, let me show you what we'll need to remove. The shelf cover, okay, right here. So stay with us, we'll have to remove that thing, and after that we'll show you guys, okay, how to get actually to that module. So we'll demonstrate you guys, okay, how to remove the right CPU, okay, right here. So let me show you guys, okay, what it looks like. If when you have the window you won't be able to see all that, but a few things that you need to consider guys. You actually have 3 clips and one that slides in. Now, without a window, I can show you all that and how it works. Otherwise, you'll be doing everything from the inside, guys. Everything from the inside. But you will, guys, have one clip here, one clip there. So, we get here, okay, with a plastic panel too. And if you can do that, okay, since we don't have the window, it's a little bit easier for me, okay, to actually bring it out. But with the window you will have a little bit more trouble. But what you do when you have the window, you're going to start on this side right here, okay, and here there is another clip guys. So we're going to leave the seal, go underneath, okay, you have your side airbag here, so you have to be extremely careful, okay, because, okay, check it out, this is your side airbag. So careful not to punch anything, not to break anything, because guys, okay, that could be catastrophic. So when you get those clips out, okay, one of them got back in, okay, you're going to grab that piece and, okay, let me come on the other side so I can show you. And you're going to grab it guys and you're going to slide it forward. Okay, it's stuck under the seal, I think. We have one clip there, guys. Okay, let me see what is happening, because I think this clip you slide it out. Okay, this clip when you grab it, it slides out. But it got in here. Okay, check it out now. That's what we're doing. You cannot remove the last clip. Okay, that last clip, that's actually the one that you remove first, guys. This is the one, okay, that goes in this canal. Okay, let me get close. And it slides out, guys. Okay, it's usually stuck right here. So when you pop it loose to some degree, okay, and you remove these 2 clips, the one here and the one over there, you're going to go ahead and slide it out until it comes to right here. Okay, you can see what the clip looks like, and then the last clip will come out of there, which is the one located all the way here. So that's how you guys remove the CPU on that BMW. The other side is exactly the same, guys, just like this one. So we'll go ahead and show you on this side too if you want to see that. So we're going to start with the first clip there. Imagine that we have the window in. Perfect, it came out, then you grab it with your fingers, okay, and you're going to pry, okay, you're going to come between the 2 pieces here, pry a little bit, and then slide it forward. Okay, it's stuck. You cannot pull if it's stuck here. You have to always pull it out, otherwise it doesn't work, guys. And the other CPU is out of here as well. You can see it doesn't take much. So next step, guys, we'll need to remove these side covers. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Okay, you grab it, guys. Okay, and this thing practically it has 2 clips, okay, holding here. So you need to kind of like, okay, let me see if I can grab it like that, or I need to go ahead and, okay, perfect, and then pull up. Okay, let me explain now. You have 2 clips, one here, one there, one on top, guys. So the one on there, it goes down here. So we grab the same thing on the other side, okay, and we do exactly the same procedure, guys, to the other one. Okay, pull it out. Now I'm going to get those out. Why? Because we will have to, guys, okay, we'll have to now put the seats down, and we'll explain why. So let me actually collect everything out of here. Okay, perfect. And now we're going to open the trunk. We'll show you guys, okay, what else we need to do here. We need to open now, okay, the seats so we can tilt them down. Okay, both of them down, just like that. Right here now it seems like we don't have anything else holding. We're going to verify that though. We'll go inside the car now. Okay, and let me show you. Okay, we pre-loosened some of the clips, but I'll explain, guys, what you need to do from that point on. So as you can see, we have the seat pillars removed here, so that makes a big difference because otherwise you won't be able to pull it out. So first you need to pull the seat pillars. Again, be careful because your side airbags are right here, guys, okay, and those things can kill you, so you have to be extremely careful. So a few clips that we need to remove. Pull the center piece out, then grab the whole clip, guys, okay, and pull it out. We're going to do that, okay, to I think 6 clips. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, you can see 3. We have one in the corner there. This is the 4th one. Okay, perfect. Now we have 5 and the 6th one here. So altogether we have 6 clips, okay, that we need to take care of. Clip removal tool makes things super easy, guys. If you need to buy any of the tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a really good price. Perfect. Okay, this one's out. Now a few things, guys, that we need to explain. Make sure that your seat belt is not attached there. Everything's good. Now I'm going to close right here now, guys. I'm going to close that trunk, and since we don't have the window, I can show you how things are happening. You're going to have 3 of these clips, guys, and on this shelf panel 2 of them are broken. We'll explain where. You have 1 clip here, 1 clip in the center, 1 clip over there. So now, guys, all we have to do, okay, just grab that shelf panel, slide it forward. Okay, you might hit the door seals there a little bit. Go ahead, get them out, okay, and slide it out. Now the clips that I was talking about, guys, okay, let me show you. Like this one here, okay, you can see this one is unglued, guys. It's supposed to be right here. We already have one there, and one of them fell out, okay, right here. So we have actually only 3 clips that we need to take care of. Okay, with all that being said, you can just go ahead and remove the shelf panel out of the car. Now if you guys need to get the seat belt out, this is pretty easy. Just get the trim out there, the little bitty surrounding. Okay, you can see down there, and you can get the seat belt out of the shelf panel as well, guys. So we'll show you guys how to disconnect the seat belts now. Okay, right here we have on the sides 1 screw on each of them, guys. Okay, let's see if we have anything else holding on the back side. We have a couple clips, okay, like this one. So all we have to do, just grab it and pull it out. Now let me do the one right here on this side, and we'll show you how to do the middle one as well. Okay, you can see how we're removing the screws now. Perfect. Now grab it, pull it, okay, check it out. It comes like that, and then it comes out. Okay, and now we have the only thing is that belt right here, but okay, let me explain how to do that. That trim piece, okay, check it out. It comes out like that, you push it out, and now we need to feed it to come out of there. Okay, and that shelf panel is completely out of the car. Okay, let me show you. Just like that, guys. So you can see what I'm talking about. So we got that thing out. Practically you don't have to even unhook the seat belts. You can just flip it on the seat if you need to, but we got it out because we'll be doing actually here, guys, a few videos how to remove, replace seat belts, all that stuff. So check it out. Now looking at it right here, guys, okay, this device right here with the yellow label, this is, guys, your remote keyless entry antenna. Okay, this one right here, 315 megahertz. Okay, you can see made by Continental. So this is it, guys. So how you remove it, you have one clip, okay, that we need to remove. Centerpiece needs to come out, guys, and once you remove the centerpiece, okay, you can see you pull the whole clip out. Grab it, pull it. Yeah, okay, perfect. Now you grab that module, guys, okay, and it seems like it's still stuck. So I'm trying to see how it's going to come out, guys. Let me see if it has a clip. I think it just we need to get the clip panel removal too. Okay, I'm trying to see from here. Okay, there is nothing. No, it just it's a clip that's holding there. Okay, and give it just a second. Okay, this is it right there, guys. Okay, 1 second. Now if you guys grab that clip on the top, okay, that clip right there, it will come out. Okay, you can see it just like that. This is the clip. It just goes in there. Let me focus so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, perfect. Now we need to disconnect the wire, get a small screwdriver and just gently pry it out. And this, guys, right here is your keyless entry or remote control module for BMW 3 and 4 series, F30, F31, F34, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.